check out this repair we just got into. Now the 90 pound is completely gone on this roof, and it's very important that when you're using a fastener in your tile, you're using a stainless steel fastener. Look at the wall conditions here. This is copper, but the copper was not soldered. Water has pushed through the copper flashing. It's run down this column, and the water is wicking into this wood beam as well. Once the new plywood is in place and this fascia on the outer edge has been replaced as well, we'll then dry this roof in and have it temporarily waterproof. The owner is going with a brand new roof system in the very near future. Hey guys, I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit that subscribe button. Until next time,
See ya!